Hi guys, and welcome once again to a new video. Today I want to address a question which comes from Amy over here. She's asking how to remove the diffuser plate for cleaning or changing for the Dolce Gusto Piccolo XS. So I discussed with her and she says that it's a little bit complicated, and it's quite complicated, I must say, but not quite that hard to change. So what you need to do is remove all the accessories and the capsule tray over here, and then here, as you already know from other Dolce Gusto units, you have a hole over here. You will need a pin, a hard pin. You can use a paper clip, which you can shape it like a rod or something like that. And then you can stick it over here. But of course, you will stick it, if you introduce it over here, you will put it in the rubber part of the diffuser plate. So what you need to do is, when you sense that you are hitting something, gradually go a little bit with this part until you will feel a spring effect. Don't push it hard, just a little bit. When you feel that there is a spring effect, just put it this way and let the gravity do its job. So again, like this, right over here. To be honest, I don't know how to film it, but you will see on the hole, just about when from rubber you can see the metal. There's the spot where you will feel the spring effect, and the diffuser plate will come off eventually. It's a little bit complicated at first. And voila. Just play around with it, but don't push it really hard. Otherwise you will bend the pin, and then it will be complicated to put it back together. Then to put it back together, just align it the other way around, like so, and click it into place. Yeah. So I hope you like this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of respond to comments video, please let me know in the comment section below. Please consider subscribing, giving a thumbs up again if you liked it. So see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye bye.